Samsung has developed the APV Codec to enable video shot on a Galaxy S26 Ultra to retain maximum quality in a professional post-production workflow. To enable it, first open your camera app. Next, tap the Quick Controls icon near the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the Settings icon. Now, tap Video Format. By default, your phone will be set up to record HEVC video. You will see options related to recording in H.264 and some other settings in the video capture pane. In the Professional Video Capture pane below, we want to switch on APV. The submenu displays more options specific to shooting with the APV codec. From the two recording types, the default is set to HDR, which takes advantage of a high dynamic range to more accurately capture highlights and shadows. If you're planning on color grading the footage in post-production and would rather shoot using a log gamma curve, select log instead. Note that you also have two profiles below. LQ produces files about half the size of HQ at the expense of some details and color accuracy. Of course, if you're using the Galaxy S26 Ultra as part of a true professional workflow, you'll want to record to external storage. To do this, back out to the camera settings. Toggle on Save to External Storage. Tap the line to enter the submenu. You'll see another switch to enable Safe Save, which breaks up longer clips as a safeguard against data loss. Now, from the camera preview, when you want to shoot using APV, tap the icon in the top right. Then begin recording. Even though video shot with APV is visually lossless, its file size will still likely be too large to send in a text or messaging app. Now, if you want to quickly share your video from your phone, just open your video in Gallery. Next, open the menu in the top right of the screen. Then tap Convert from APV to HEVC. Shoot your next video project with APV Codec for maximum quality and versatility.